I see Tinubu government of Nigeria as a government of continuity of Buhari, but where is doing mistake is on Nnamdi case. I have said this several times. He should release Nnamdi, let him go before the judgment of God will come against those who participated in this predicament Nnamdi is passing through. He don't know anything. He just inherited it. As he inherited it, he should let Nnamdi go. And now, AU, African Union, coming to tell Tinubu that he should release Nnamdi, otherwise nature will judge him. Now, this to show you that the heaven stand with Nnamdi, earth stand with Nnamdi, human being stand with Nnamdi, even the air, sun, moon, and star stand with Nnamdi. And if I were Tinubu, I will listen to them. I will listen to them. This is the first time AU to come out to speak in favor of Nnamdi, to speak in favor of different agitations. But AU should do more than this. If Tinubu continue to hold Nnamdi, they should sanction Nigeria. They should sanction Nigeria. And the immediately AU sanction Nigeria, you see that other world body will follow suit. Because Nigeria did it, kidnap him. All this organization or world body keep silent watching Nigeria. Had it been that time Buhari did it, they used strong action against Nigeria. Buhari could have succumbed. But AU should do more than speaking with mouth. They should take action. And the Tinubu, they listen Nnamdi, Igbos, Biafras, we see him as most courageous man. And Biafra will pay pali. Biafra will be in pali with him. Even after when he have come down from the power. His family, when Biafra remember what he did by releasing Nnamdi, his family will enjoy Biafran government in their life. Even they wouldn't mind to mobilize Tinubu in Biafra land. It will happen if he releases Nnamdi. And the Tinubu should consider Biafra has shown him gesture for the first time. Let him pay back. Because at the first time, they want to do protests against Tinubu. The West, his brothers, the Yorubas, have allied with the North to carry out that protest. But the Biafrans said, no, we're not going to participate. Tinubu is okay. Let him continue to rule. That's what hindered that protest. It did not carry out because the Biafrans said no. Before they start planning this second protest again. And it seems that the Biafra have given them signal. We are not participating. So if you watch it in every other thing, Biafra is showing Tinubu kindness. Let him pay Biafra back by releasing Nnamdi. Even Peter Obi, who is Biafra, they're trying to disassociate himself from Biafra. When the result was given, Obi didn't want to rise up to protest. He told them, say, no, don't protest. Let us follow it in this way. Had it been Peter Obi encouraged them to protest, people can find it difficult to be there. And Peter Obi showed maturity, showed oneness, showed kindness to Tinubu by telling people not to protest, obedient not to rise up. I'm telling you, have you been obedient rise up? People cannot swear in. So all these things is what Tinubu should consider. That the Biafrans have done him well. He should raise them to pay Biafrans back what they have done unto him. You see? But he's continue holding Nnamdi Kanu. Although nobody know what is in mind. You cannot, we are human being, you cannot break anybody's heart to know what is his mind. Unless when you speak it out or took action or take action before you know that this is what this man is doing. But let me assure everybody, whether Tinubu agree to release Nnamdi Kanu or not, immediately Biafra is restored. This December 2nd, 2024, our able God-given Prime Minister of government of Biafra in exile declare it, and the international body came to support, and Biafra restored. I'm giving you honesty, the next 24 hours, Nnamdi Kanu will come out. Because he's no more Nigerian citizen or dweller citizen between Britain and Nigeria. Biafra government in home have established, we order them to release him. And if they did not release him, then it becomes state versus state. Which Biafra government may sue Nigeria to court and win them. Believe me, if they sue Nigeria to court, when they establish that they did not release Nnamdi Kanu, it will be tough for Nigeria. That time sanctions will come. You see content that will rise up against Nigeria because it has been excess. So, in my own understanding, at first Nnamdi Kanu is alive. Whosoever like working against him, Nnamdi Kanu will come out. What will happen to him? My parents let him be alive. And Nnamdi Kanu cannot stay there up to 2027 though. By God's grace, he cannot stay there up to 2027. Lie.
But that would be too far. You know, that would put him 6 years in prison.
You see?
And we've seen Boko Haram, you know, just released recently, you know, integrating them into the communities. That's about 8,500 or 8,490 Boko Haram reintegrated into the community. You know, and these are people that have committed so many atrocities, but you know they've been let off the hook. So why would they not do the same for Nnamdi Kanu?
They cannot do the same to Nnamdi Kanu because Nnamdi Kanu is not a Boko Haram. Nnamdi Kanu is not Boko Haram. If Nnamdi Kanu is a Boko Haram, they have integrated it into Nigerian army and give him intelligent officer. He's not a Boko Haram, so don't expect him to be granted freedom because Boko Haram are not terrorists to Nigeria. But Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB are terrorists to Nigeria. Are you okay? Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB did not come from Sahel. They come from Biafra. Therefore, you don't expect them to have the same treatment with Boko Haram. Eh? Boko Haram are Nigerian foot soldier. Nnamdi Kanu is not Nigerian foot soldier. He's IPOB. They are for Biafra. That's why they see Biafrans as a threat to them.
So, Tinubu should do the needful by releasing Nnamdi Kanu.
Nnamdi Kanu.
Okay.
I'm saying he will fetch someone else out. That's the joker of the year. That's the joker of the century. It's a mere saying. Instead of him to fetch someone else out, someone else will fetch him out. If someone else want to get Ifa today, you get it. It's a matter of giving order. How can Ifa go and fetch someone else out? Who will he send? Who will he give marching order to go to Finland and fetch him out? They thought that what happened to Nnamdi Kanu will happen to Ifa. I mean, sorry, someone else. Nnamdi Kanu case have taught the real Biafran agitators. They have taught them lessons.
But some are accusing him that it was his private jet they used to bring in Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes, I heard it.
That was his private jet they used to bring in Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes, I heard it. That it was his own private jet. They used to go and bring Nnamdi Kanu back from Kenya. And there was a time assassination attempt was made on his life. He said before he came and do a video that they attempting him to kill him, to silence everything. That He is telling them, if they continue threatening his life, he will blow everything out. What happened between them and Nnamdi Kanu? They're shouting, if you buy a plane, they take him. Is he the only person that participated in this? Even he saw Senator Abari Benin, that he's walking up and down. People will call him senator. He's a Biafran supporters in the daytime. In the night, he's a Nigerian supporters. He will come openly and say what they ought to say, but in the back, he told them, hold him, don't leave him. Now, it's only him, but that people came to know. If they mess up again, he will expose everything. And from that time, do you see killing attempt on him anymore? Do you see anybody embarrassing him or call him bad name anymore? Because they know what they did. And he don't want to carry the blame or the shame alone. So if you want to lay it on him, he will expose it. Everybody will know the part. Who played the part they play. You understand? So let him not to think. As Nnamdi fall Peri into their hand, some Ekpa will fall Peri into their hand. It's not easy. It's not easy. Okay, where will he fetch someone Ekpa out? Is it when Biafra is declared, coming this 2022, when Nigeria, coming this December 2nd, 2024, when Nigeria will not have any right again to intrude into Biafra? When Biafra will make their law, is it that time you go and fetch someone Ekpa? Or is it now he will use close associate of Simon Ekpa to fetch him out? He cannot fetch someone Ekpa. I'll say he kidnap someone Ekpa or holding him. But someone Ekpa will be careful. Will be careful for using closing associate to poison his food. Because that's the only thing they can do now. They have the last attempt was when they want to lobby him with money. He said no. They may use close associate of Simon Ekpa to poison his food. That's the next thing they will do. Because if Simon Ekpa is dead now, it's good for Nigerian and the Nigerian associates. If they kidnap him, they will not keep him alive. They'll kill him immediately. They will pour him acid. I'm telling you honestly, if they kidnap Simon Ekpa today, or they use anybody to lure him to come and take money, or come for negotiation, I'm telling you honestly, they will pour Simon Ekpa acid. So that he will melt immediately. Because they are still sharing Simon Ekpa. That even if at all, a second is for him to do what they do not suspect. Therefore, for him to die is the best thing for those that are after him. So they will do anything to kill him. Suicide bomber did not work. Kidnapping did not work. Using close associate to lobby him to collect money did not work. Embarrassing Finland government did not work. Now, what the next step that we took is trying to poison his food. Whatever will enter into his mouth, they will try to poison it. The thing that kills, the poison that kills man so easily is poison you eat from your mouth. Only shaving powder. Only shaving powder they will put inside the food. The person will eat and die immediately. Only shaving powder. Oh, that's what I'm telling you. They can add the excess drug. When he eat the food, he said we turn. They will say, hey, God don't catch him. God don't catch him. So someone should be careful. Monitor close associates that are coming closer to him. If it's possible, let someone have cup bearer. Even that the cup bearer, you should not trust the cup bearer. You should not trust the cup bearer. What killed Abiola? Is it not the people he trusts? Is it not the president of Kofi Annan, United Nations Secretary General of that time, Emeka Nyoko, Secretary of Commonwealth, Susan Rice, a close friend to Abiola? Is it not in their place that Abiola drink, with confidence he have in them and drink the tea that sent him down to grave? If Anyuba and Co can do that, so someone else should be careful. But they say, I will fetch you out. I will fetch you out. Are you fetching him out? Is it water? Is it that your basket that cannot hold water you take to fetch someone else? Or with a bucket or drum? Are you going to use motor tanker to fetch him out like water? That is a mere sake. Let me talk to show say. To show that I can talk, I can challenge him. That's the only thing. You fetch a person that is more than you out. Person where you have gone internationally, you haven't reached. In fact, you haven't reached there. Recognition someone if I get international, if you did not get it, and you fetch him out. Which government that will lobby or Interpol that will lobby to go and arrest someone? People that know that what Sam Nepa is right, is doing is right. People that know that Sam Nepa is on the right course, you fetch him out. That one is just mere talk. Let me talk. Let me reply so that they know if I never have talked. If I never have tweeted. I beg, forget those side.
So ekpa should be careful with his activities
Yes.
and be careful with close associates.
That's that we are closer to him.
Because they can betray him. I'll be just like what they did to Nnamdi Kanu.
Nnamdi Kanu. They betrayed Nnamdi Kanu to kidnap him. Now they're going to betray someone by poisoning him.
But some say Nnamdi Kanu was betrayed by his friend. But do you think that's true? Do you think that's true that Nnamdi Kanu was betrayed by his friends?
If
Are they the one that like spewed, his whereabout and just exposing?
Listen. Remember Bob Marley in his worldly philosophy song. He said that it's only your friend know your secret, and only him will reveal it. Person is closer to you, now him know your secret, and now him will expose it. Okay, look at Kudrat Abiola. Do you know that what happened to Kudrat Abiola? He's dead. It was his own personal PA, her own personal PA, whom you trust, link every secret concerning Kudrat Abiola to Abacha government. Tell them that they should not allow him to do. They should not allow Kudrat Abiola to do so and so thing. If he do it, if she do it, they cannot be able to kill him anymore. He revealed every secret of power. Whether they call it black power, whether they call it white power, all the protection of Kudrat Abiola, his personal PA revealed it. If that Obasanjo came to be a president and arrest those people, we could have known. And he's the one that's crying. Even when Kudrat Abiola died, he's the one that's moving up and down, he's shouting. This is exactly what happened to Nnamdi Kanu. The people he trusted, the people, him and those people are running the struggle for restoration of Biafra. The people he give mantle as liaison officers or state coordinators for Biafran issue, they are the people that betray him. They are the people that went to ally with the government and took money against Nnamdi Kanu and betray him. You see? They are the ones that set him up in Kenya with an IPOB coordinator in Kenya. They set him up. And the mob people that will kidnap him, that everything reach airport, kidnap him. Don't allow him to enter town. It was really elected in the airport. They grabbed him and forced him into motor. Drove him away. Who took Nnamdi Kanu away? You understand? And I'll be saying it. The enemy you know, don't fear him, but keep him off. Give him distance. But whom you have to fear is that one that is so close to you, that call him himself your friend, is the one that to fear. But this enemy you have known is your enemy. Just give him far gap. Gap
Why?
him.
Because it might come back to haunt you. Abi?
Gap him because you have known that is your enemy. And we are careful about him. But this one you don't know that he is your enemy. He's the one that will hurt you. Seriously. Before your enemy will come. Hurt you more than your enemy. Because it's closer to you. He's he's dining and warning with you.
Okay.
Ifeanyi Uba counterizing or denying that he's not a drug dealer, that Simon Ekpa is saying lie or something like that. If you are in Ifan Yubashu, what will you do? People who they look as who people look at as honorable, then you want him to turn to horrible. Have you seen a thief that appear in court? They count charges against him and they say, are you guilty or not? We accept that he's guilty. He said that if he plead not guilty, that's what Ifan Yuba is doing. By and by, he will come out and tell that it's a lie. He never participates in drug dealing. But if he has not participated in drug dealing, is he the only person in Anambra? Is he the only senator from south to east that man, Oji Okechukwu, appointing hand to him, that is the one? Okay, if Oji Okechukwu is bribed, how much they will give Oji Okechukwu to speak against Ifan Yuba, a low honorable senator
of the Federal Republic of Nigeria
that is turning to horrible? Eh? Therefore, whether you like it or not, Ifan Yuba will like to portray his image as a good man. Okay, remember, there was a time Ifan Yuba buy gun to Nnamdi boys. Said they are vigilante.
I think he said that, and I think that was for local security.
He said yes, they are local security, and that local security is to fight against the people that support Biafra government in exile.